Hello my friends, welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. This is Jennifer. I have just a really quick update for you guys today. Last week I showed you the opposite half of this room and that it was about to be painted and floored. It is painted and floored. The paint is done, the trim is done. I've actually painted this side. The trim still needs to be painted and I still need to put the floor down. And then I can start putting this room back together. I'm really excited to show you what I think I will be showing you next week because I will be working on assembling this room and putting it in the order that I've had in my head for months, some things actually for years. So I'm excited to get to go to that part of this process. But I'm going to show you just a little bit of a tour. It's going to be a little bit weird because my big IKEA shelving unit, my Kallax, is right in the middle of the room. Here's our door. And then I've got, these walls are painted, and you can see I still need to paint the trim over here. The floor is actually sealed so that I can put the wood vinyl on top. It doesn't look like much. This used to be my design wall. This will be where my fabric dresser lives in the new layout that I've created. Over here, all of my stuff. You can see just like behind here, it's chaos. Just all of my stuff is back there. All my bins. And mostly on the Kallax is the stuff that I'm using to work on the room. Over here you can see, give you just a sneak peek. So you can see the trim down there. That's white. And the windows. And I do want to show you guys one thing. Hold on, let me move so I can point to stuff. So I'm backlit, which is not going to be very helpful, but I wanted to show you guys this really quick. This little piece of wall right here, this is the closet, and that little piece of wall encloses the closet, and I had it planned to remove that. I did a bunch of research, I looked at a bunch of tutorials, and in the end I decided that if I did that, I was not going to be using this room again this year. I was going to be using it sometime next year. So I discussed it with my husband, and we decided, and this was actually his suggestion, and I really appreciated it. I'm gonna live with this for a little while and see. I just wanted to open up the closets because I'm using it as an office. And if it drives me crazy in 6 months, we'll have a contractor take it out. But for now, I'm just leaving it in and moving forward. So yeah, I'm very close. I'm very close. If I stay on track, I should be moving furniture back to where it goes by Wednesday night or possibly Thursday afternoon. And I have a date with my son to go to IKEA on Friday to get a few more pieces that I need to finish this room. I'm going to do a custom cutting table, and I'm going to add some extra shelves. Very excited about that. I can't wait to show you guys how that works out. If it works out the way it is in my head, I think it'll be fantastic. I also want to share with you guys that the design invitational for the Year of Doom, which I have neglected to talk about just recently, just because there's been so much other stuff going on, is tomorrow. We finished up the regular post 2 weeks ago, and tomorrow is the Design Invitational. And this is different than any one we've ever done before because this is not for supplemental blocks for the event, which we did not need. I still have probably 30 that were submitted after the deadline that will go up next year. But for quilt layouts, for finishing instructions, ideas to put your bookcase blocks together, and I'm excited to share. There aren't a whole lot of submissions, but the ones we did get were really great. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. So that'll be tomorrow on Fandom and Stitches. That is going to be it for me. I can't wait to show you guys the update for next week. I know that right now it just looks like a whole lot of blue and a mess, and that is what it looks like in real life too. But it's a good mess. It's a mess that is close to being unmessy. So we'll get there. You guys have a very wonderful week. You have a crafty week. I very much hope to see your videos, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye. Thank you.